Hello everyone, and welcome once again to our conference. Today's conference is about new technology to support language learning and how Facebook can be useful for learning a language. The conference is sponsored by British Council and of course Facebook. The keywords for today's conference are technology, interaction, Facebook, language learning, motivation. The innovative materials were carried out last year in the school I work, located in San Fernando, Liceo Comercial Alberto Valenzuela Llanos. This school has a very elementary level of English. My colleagues are two. They are about to their retirement age, so they don't want to do innovative classes because they are just waiting for their final hours. So I decided to do an innovative class, which is I always do it, but in this case I decided to do an innovative class with Facebook. The class was divided in two groups because there are too many students, because there are 45 students. The innovative materials was done in third grade students. They are about 16 or 17 years old, so they have very different interests, and one of them is of course Facebook. The innovative materials, in this case the class, was done in a month. I had 2 hours a week to do a class, so of course the first class is about to give the instruction to do the activity. This activity was about to create a new profile in Facebook. The students had to create new information, new names, in order to chat later with these new friends. These new friends were the same classmate at the computer lab because they went to the computer lab in order to chat. The other groups of the students were waiting in their classroom doing another extra activity. So the first group was doing their profile. So they had to chat with other classmates, in this case this new friend. They had to ask question, for example the basic question: how old are you, where are you from, where do you live? So I had to teach from the very beginning some grammar rules, some questions that they have to do at the first time, because they didn't know so much how to meet people. So the purpose was that they had to ask new information. They had to make a conversation with the other student behind the chat. In this case, they didn't have to know who was the new friend. So they tried to hide who was the other part, who was the other classmate, who was the other friend. When they finished that activity, that class, the other group had to go to the computer lab in order to create a new profile too. They had to do the same activity that the previous group. So I didn't have time one day to do a long activity because as I said before, I had to divide the group. The previous lesson, the previous classes was very motivated for them because they already know that they had to do more questions to the new friends. If they didn't know some words, I gave them a web page in order to look for vocabulary. I gave them the page www.wordreference.com. in order to look for new words that they maybe didn't know at that time. For example, they didn't know how to say manzana, so they have to use the web page. From the very first time, the students were very motivated to do the activity because Facebook is very close to them. It's a resource that they have on their cell phones every day. As you know, it's easier to do a class with something they like. So of course you have students that they don't want to do the activity because they don't like English. I had some students that they didn't want to do the activity because they don't like English. So I had to feel them motivated with some resources, with some extra material, so at the end they feel comfortable, at least comfortable doing the activity. How did I assess it? The evaluation was written in oral after the 4 classes a month, because the activity was about maybe a month and a half, was a written test. The test was very similar from the Facebook, with pictures and the chat window they had to complete. For example, there are some questions they had to answer: where do you live, how old are you, or they have to make the questions according to the answer. So the results are very satisfactory because they had at least an average 5.6, 5.7, 5.4. I had at least very good average marks. The other part was they had to choose a classmate in order to make the questions, and the other classmate is going to answer. That part was not so satisfactory because some of them was confused in order to create the answer or to remember. So I think the best part of the evaluation was the written part, and maybe because they had time to answer. The theory of this innovative material is based on Lisa, Kevin, and Blake in 2008. They said that technology enables interaction and integrated learning according to the environment. Facebook, MySpace, and Twitter provide opportunities to share experiences, to share new knowledge, to share new videos, audios, authentic material. They promote the interaction between people because they like to meet new people according to their ages, interest, according to maybe to know people from another countries. These sites, however, are generally relatively limited in terms of providing content, but helps you to design specifically for language learning. It helps to promote motivation. It helps you to do more interactive material. I think that these technologies are very useful in terms to capture the attention from the students. It's very motivating to them to use it, despite of having 2 hours a week. And I think that this activity was very useful, motivating, and in some cases obviously we have some classes and we have some students that don't like English, but at least they do it. As a conclusion, I can say that the students ask for more when they are working with technology. I remember that time I was asked for them to go over and over again to the computer lab to do another kind of activities using technology. So I can say that as long as we have technology around us, it's very useful to use them. And as long as we receive feedback from the students in order to work for more resources, it's very useful for me and for